Welcome to Pin the World. I'm Laura.
And I'm Ryan, and we've got some FiGPiNs.
That's right. So Ryan got me a couple boxes of FiGPiNs for Christmas, and we're here today to unbox them. So we have 6 boxes in total, and it's 2 series.
Very different series.
Very, very different. So the first one being this really fun Pixar set. So there's some common ones on the front and then a few of the uncommon ones on the back.
And the second being this Star Wars set, or specifically Mandalorian and Grogu. And really excited for these ones, particularly with the movie coming out in 2026.
Oh, I'm so excited. Like, I'm not like a big movie girl, but like I'm so excited to like go to the movies that day and like, or whatever, like within the week kind of thing.
It's gonna be a great big screen one, I'm sure. So yeah.
Yeah.
Don't get excited for theatrical releases often, so it's, we're fully on the bandwagon.
Yeah. So there's one from the Mandalorian box that I really, 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 really want, and it's this one. So fingers crossed, but we are going to start with the Pixar ones. So let's just get into these.
Get in there.
If you've never opened FiGPiNs before, you're missing out because they are killing it. Their quality is amazing. Their bags are so satisfying to rip open, and it's just really fun. So let's see what we pulled first.
Start us off strong.
Okay, so let's see. Are you ready? It's kind of like the black back, and it's Buzz.
Nice.
Oh, that's so cool. To infinity and beyond. So I'm happy that we started off with Buzz because I do think in some pin mail upstairs we might have Nemo.
Okay.
I think I traded for it.
Well, I'm gonna just get right into the second one. I already opened my box. These are sort of fun because it's harder to tell from the back what it's going to be. Laura loves to play that game, me not so much, so I like that she sort of can't in a way. Let's see.
Ooh!
Okay, sticking with Toy Story, so Lotso, of course.
That's cool. So
that is actually, I like that more than I thought I would based on the box. And that happens a lot with FiGPiNs, I find, just like, because the quality is so good, they're pretty much, like, they're all impressive.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, the colors are really good. I'm not a big Lotso girly because he's like a villain, but he's, I don't know, I'm keeping that one because that's really cool. So now we have one more box of the Pixar ones. And I mean, if we got Woody, that would be pretty cool because then we just stuck to all Toy Story, but I really like Wally, or I really like Eve. And the Coco one is really cool because they did like a half and half.
I'm hoping for Eve. I think that's sort of the...
And it's
I just think it's a really cute pose,
yeah.
So I'd like that one.
Okay, let's see. I'll be happy with any, I think. So let's get into it. Okay. All right. So it does. The shape is different because there's something coming out the bottom. There's like a little wave to the bottom. So, I think I know what it might be. Oh, dang! Oh, it's sparkly.
That's probably the hyper rare.
Yeah.
Then, like the way that they show it on the back, and it shows that the gold one, and I wonder if the gold one is all sparkly too. That would be nuts. But it's the Web Redemption one. Web exclusive.
The web exclusive. That is cool. Oh my god. Okay, I love FiGPiNs. Like, I'm never opening a Hot Topic pin again.
Oh, you heard it here first.
You did. Like, these are amazing. Holy
Just show them one more time.
Okay, let me try to get it really sparkly. Oh my god.
Wow. I hope that doesn't like break your TV or your mobile device, however you're viewing us.
Oh my gosh, that's cool. So I think on the screen I'll probably try to like get the, there's usually like a nice like breakdown of what's in here, so
yeah, in terms of which ones are common, which ones are rare, that sort of spectrum.
Ooh. Okay, let's show you guys before we get into Star Wars. That's really good. So I am thrilled because, of course, 3 different pins. That's great.
Yep.
Yeah, now into Mando. Oh, I really want that helmet one. I think it's so cute.
I'm here for a lot of them. I think they'll all sort of have their charm. It's actually interesting because I guess they'll be quite different shaped. Maybe they'll be our first FiGPiNs that aren't sort of, some sort of like, rectangle or trapezoid.
Oh, okay. Oh!
Cool.
Is it sparkly or is that just...
Well, we will spin it around in a sec. It is.
Oh,
hey
that's
now.
Badass.
Yeah, right?
Wow.
I don't know. I think...
Okay.
It's neat now, like after seeing one in real life, and still a double back on that, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, and the FiGPiN backs are so amazing. They're so much more like ergonomic to pull off. And if you guys aren't familiar with FiGPiNs, there's always a code. So we don't really use the app, but
I don't know. I sort of like I low-key just want all of these now.
I mean, we can order more. Just saying.
We should like drink alcohol tonight.
And just order more?
Yeah. Comment below if
yeah, we should. That should be like our like bonus Christmas gift to ourselves. It's just one more order. So we got these, I'm guessing you got them from the same website.
Yes.
So it's a website of a store based out of Quebec.
Which is great for, us Canadian folk to have a Canadian-based distributor.
So $14.99 to Canadian these days for one pin, like really isn't bad. And for a mystery pin for that.
Yeah, fire pins too.
Oh, okay. So let's see. Let's just get into this. Okay, it feels like bigger, different shape than yours. Okay, I see.
That's definitely not a duplicate.
I see Grogu ears. Oh my god, look at him.
Wow.
Oh, so he's that one there, and then there must be, this is a glittery one.
Okay, gotcha.
The chase one is on the back, but we got one on the front, so I'm guessing this is like a more common one. But look at
there's there's technically a lot here then. There's like 14 options. I don't know if they do like Pixar, I guess there's only 12.
Okay.
No, I'm sorry, there is 14 because there's 2 in the middle, so it just seems like a lot is like a big series, but it's sort of good and bad, right? It makes it harder to collect them all, but it also makes it less likely you'll get duplicates, I suppose.
Yeah.
That is the downside with these, I guess, if you have to pick one, just that it's, harder to trade, right?
Yeah, I haven't seen a lot of people with these to trade, so that makes it tricky. Oh my god, is it... Oh!
I like that.
It's a sparkly Jawa.
I like that.
I do too.
It's not like, there's a lot of ones that I want more, but I like that.
Oh my god, it's so cool.
I really want the Razor Crest. I think actually I would lose it for how cool that would probably look.
Oh my god.
Just the ship, Grogu in the pram, Grogu on the Mando helmet like Laura, Sid.
This one, yeah, you said that one.
In the pram, on the helmet, Razor Crest.
That's cute, even whatever. He has a butterfly?
Yeah.
I don't care about him eating the cookies or whatever that is.
Yeah. The two together on the back, I would be quite happy with many of these.
Alright, let's show you guys. That's pretty good. 6 for 6, not too shabby, I would say. Yeah, definitely thinking we might have to get some more, but we'll see.
Yeah, we don't, I joke, we're not normally like that, so it's sometimes fun to just be a little bit impulsive or just...
We could get more of these, and that's how we'll celebrate like the opening of Mando the movie, by opening them, but we probably don't want to wait that long, because that doesn't come out until,
May, I think.
Oh man, yeah, I don't want to wait that long. Anyways, we'll make sure to put it on the screen, the options for Mando, because I think that's cool to be able to see.
Yeah, definitely.
So, yeah, not a bad unboxing. Can you pick a favorite?
It's really hard. I wasn't, okay, the Luxo ball, incredible. Luxor Princess Arena.
She always tells us, and then we say it wrong every time. Oh my god.
On that side, but overall, it's probably Mando or maybe the Jawa. I just like it.
Yeah, I think Sparkly Mando is my favorite if I picked one from each side. So Sparkly Mando, and then I actually really like Buzz. I think the colors are super cool, and it just looks really good.
Yeah, it is really good.
Yeah, awesome. So that's it for today's video. Make sure you let us know in the comments down below which pin was your favorite. And as always, we'll see you guys in the next one.